Discussing about Front. On the platform, in the navigation bar, you can find for App Marketplace and search for Front. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account or multiple sub accounts at the same time. I'm choosing this one. Continue with that. Allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed. Now back moving forward towards our loading at the moment. The next step will be heading towards the specific sub account on which we have installed Front. Yeah, it installed. Here we are on that sub account on which we have installed Front. The next step will be configuring Front into our workflows. Find for workflows in the app configuration in the side navigation bar. You have to get it configured now. So you have to enter the API key. You have to sign up for Front, and in the developers mode, you have to find for the API key and copy paste it here. Let me show you how to do that. We made a Front account, and after that in the settings you can find for the developers mode, and from here you can find for API token, and you can create your own API token from here. You can just copy paste this one. Now paste it here and submit. As you can see, it is successfully configured now. Now we will be moving forward towards the automations to create a new workflow to check on our actions are working correctly or not. Create workflow and start from scratch. Here we are in the workflow builder. We will be creating a new action. Find for Front. Here it is, Front for workflows. These are the actions provided by Front in our workflows. You can see you can easily apply in these actions into your workflows and create our automations. Let's just create any of the actions and execute it. Let's just create a new account. Save this action. Create some nodes with that. Custom values, find for Front for workflows. Create account. We had chosen the name. Add some text with that. Save this action as well. Now we will be testing our workflows. Choose any of these to check on and just set an example at the moment. Run this test. Head towards the execution logs now. As you can see, it is successfully executed with the nodes as well. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.